Hello everyone, Storm 11 here. We got a winter storm in central Kentucky. It is January 6th of 2022. And the snow is coming down really good. I know the camera doesn't, you guys probably see like moderate snow, but in reality it's heavy. Snow is accumulating very quickly. The roads are absolutely terrible right now. Caught myself a couple of trains. So, yeah. Let them guys go by. Oh, never mind. There's more people coming. Hope you guys are having a good day I've had so far. Now we should be good to go. Alright. Usually it's not very busy out here. It's kind of surprising. I tell you what, it's the conditions out here is just absolutely horrible. It's pretty bad, I gotta say. We'll be taking it easy, at least. Well, at the beginning it's a dry snow. Now it's gotten a little bit more fluffier and it's a little bit wetter. And we're already sliding. Just getting up on this hill, we're already sliding. Or slipping tires. So, yeah. I'm thinking about just getting on the main highway where it's a little bit more clear. It's probably just a little bit more safer. I know there's a lot of dumb people out there of how they drive and stuff, but these back roads are just horrible. And this is a state road and has not been treated today. It hasn't. Saw one person spun out on the way here. So we'll see if we can catch anybody slipping or anything like that, I guess, on my way back to my house here. It's going to take quite a bit of time. So I guess you guys could relax and just enjoy the ride here in winter wonderland here. I'll be staying a little bit quiet here. Yes, I know the windshield wipers are horrible, but not much I can do. Something I just realized going down this way, there's a decent hill big coming up. We'll see if my vehicle will make it up the hill. If it doesn't, we'll have to go to some of the back roads. That's a bad side with some of these roads here in Kentucky. It's the fact that they are that was nasty. Since they're very hilly and stuff like that. You got steep hills in some places. You know, and during the wintertime, it can be pretty tough to get up, especially in conditions like this. It's not necessarily a blizzard, but I know from the latest National Service forecast, I think we're expected to get, I believe they said 6 to 8 inches of snow. I'm not sure what this guy is doing right here. I'm not sure who this guy is or anything. I have no idea. Yeah, be sure to look both ways because I've seen that one video where it did fail. Where crossings failed to activate. He's getting a little bit far to the left. There's a lot of people driving on this road today. Something happened on the main highway or what? Because there's a lot of people driving back here. There's the deputy sheriff right there. He's probably going to check on that guy back there. See what he is doing. Yeah, these roads are just bad, and it's only going to get worse. It is 12 o'clock, so 12:02, so it's noon. And the event's supposed to end in about 5-6 hours. I'll say we already got 2 inches of snow on the ground, and it's coming down pretty hard out here. Here's the hill I was talking about. Hopefully I don't spin out or anything. Just take it easy on the accelerator. Just take it easy. Don't shift up, please. It's an automatic transmission. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but Highway 127, here we are. This is the Mercer and Boyle County line. This is where we are, between Harrodsburg and Danville, Kentucky. It's where we are. Take it easy on the brakes right here. This is actually my first time driving the snow, by the way, and so far it's not been that bad. At least people are taking it easy. Oh shit. And we are sliding. And people are really going slow. Hopefully this guy doesn't slide. Shit. I probably should have went right there. It's hard to tell when people are going much slower. Apologize if I a little bit of language. Taking it easy. Definitely not on a weird one. Yeah, the conditions out here are terrible. No. Okay, that's an idiot right behind us. Going in the left lane. I guess trying to pass everybody. That's a trucker. Oh, boy, you got me kidding me. He's got to be careful now. He's going to spin out and go into median and crash to somebody. He's going to have to be careful. Right now, we're only going about 30 miles. What's happening here? Okay, I thought that was a power-up for a second. I'm like, oh no. Yeah, look at this guy. Look at this dude coming up behind us in the left lane, man. I'm only going about 30. Oh, good Lord. He better not slip or anything. Look at this. He's going to pass us right now. There's another person behind him. It's safer to be in the right lane where it's not as much snow. You have less chance of slipping and stuff. One spot I'm a little worried about though is there's another person right there, energy company. Alright, have to pick up speed a little bit since we're about to climb uphill a little bit. I hope you guys like my commentary. This is the first time I've ever done one of these. I'm not sure why some of these plow guys are not using their plows. It's certainly plowable snow. That's something I've been seeing today, is that they don't have their plows down or anything like that. Boy, this snow is bad. Look how heavy it is. Visibility is down to a quarter mile. What's happening here? Something's happening here. Put my hazards on so people have police. Something's happening here. Somebody will have to keep my hazards on because people are still coming up behind us. There's probably a car accident or something. I hope he slipped a little bit trying to get in the left lane. This is a good hill too, going downhill and stuff. Not sure what's going on up here. It's a bad spot, that's for sure. So people need to have their headlights on. That's another thing. You can't see them for like a quarter mile away. Traffic's going really slow. Gotta let her roll. Can't really hit the brakes or anything. God, this sucks. Taking it easy though, that's the key thing. We're going probably about 18 miles an hour is how fast we're going. Try not to go too fast, try not to go too slow. I'll turn that off. Just let her roll right now. Just hoping. Slide, I'll go into the shoulder. Going about 20 miles an hour. We'll use the bypass. I think it's just people going really slow downhill because there's a stoplight up here. Unless there's something happening. Snow plow right there. Yeah. Actually, I don't know if it's best to go through town or what. I'm gonna follow behind this plow wherever he's going. I'm gonna follow behind him. Yeah, he's gonna go use the bypass. And that's completely fine. It says these roads need to be cleared up, salted down. Not to hit the accelerator too much. This thing here likes to slide. Probably because of the tires. Alright, we'll use the left lane here. Be good for everybody to kind of get sprayed. Going to get over to the right side. I'm going pretty damn slow. This person's going a little bit too fast now. Look at that. That's a problem these days. There's people going too fast. Trucker's going to pass us. I know I'm going 25. I'll pick it up a little bit. trucker off to the left. Give him a little bit of room just in case if he slides. Spin out. That's good. And the plowing of snow is so off, we're actually in the right turn lane. Yep, there's the same thing. A little fast. Everybody's kind of doing a good job, to be honest with you. I mean, except for some of the faster drivers, but really so far no one hasn't really spun out or anything. This is a bridge right here, so far it's not been too bad. But what I'm afraid of the most is I think I'm going to go the other way. I think it's my road has that big time hill, and it's that big, a little bit tough to get up, so I'm going to go the way. There's multiple ways to get to my house. And there's a stoplight at the bottom of this hill, so this is stoplight at the bottom of this hill. This is why we're going slower. I'm worried about the people coming up behind. They're going at a pretty decent speed. I'm not even sure if the light is red or not. It may not change. I know in some situations the light doesn't change. Oh, there's a cop here. Cop there on the right. I guess I have 152 blocked. Light is red now. Well, I'm glad I didn't go 152. I had thoughts of going down that way. Looks like they're gonna close down the road. I guess some big accident happened there. Knock that sign down now. Yeah, 152 is a dangerous highway in wintertime too. Here comes a snow plow coming up behind. Yeah, you should definitely see 68 in this area. It's the same way. dangerous 2-lane road. Another stoplight, and it also goes downhill too. Traffic is going pretty darn slow at some distance. It's a red light. I got 68 open. It's always been a bad highway during the winter time.